How is he? He is matchless. When will we get a chance? Everyone will get a chance. Does she love you? We are made for each other. What type of person are you? I'm not that type of person. Does he speak a lot? Yes, he speaks a lot. What are you doing? I'm making tea. Why are you not taking tea? The tea is very hot. What is she doing? She is doing her homework. Do you know him? Yes, I know him very well. I am going to their home. Don't go empty-handed. When will you come? I come in a while. Can I talk to you? No, not at all. Who all know him? The entire world knows him. Who let you go? She let me go. Why are you crying? I'm missing my friend. Who made you cry? You made me cry.